Hello AIRSOFT world! Today I review a sniper rifle, the SW04 aka M24. The box includes the rifle in 2 pieces, a sling, 1 magazine, a BB loader with an adapter, screws, Allen key, sub-low BBs, cleaning rod and a silencer adapter, which I would prefer to have 3 magazines instead of the silencer adapter. Before we assemble the rifle, I want to stay on this ridiculous paint job. It is for sure the worst paint job, if we can call it paint job, I have ever seen. If it was only from the inside of the stock I would be okay, but still after you install the receiver you can notice it. But let's move on. Install the receiver into the stock and screw the 2 Allen screws to secure it. It would be better if it was another screw at the end of the stock to hold the outer barrel steady and safe. So I recommend you to zip tie it in here. As I told you, the paint job is not disabled also with the receiver installed. The Snowwolf M24 is made of tough plastic stock, really surprised me, and metal receiver and trigger guard. The full length is 111cm to 126cm due to the adjustable stock and it weighs 3.6 kilos. At the end of the barrel there is an 18mm counterclockwise thread and you can install the silencer adapter to attach a 14mm counterclockwise silencer. There is a slim outer barrel, 23mm diameter minimum at the end, adjustable slide, hop-up unit, cut-out rail to install the scope, metal magwell, the classic safety switcher on the right has also a bolt safety, sling attachments on the body, hard rubber buttstock, adjustable stock that it's not perfect steady but it's good. As for the trigger, I noticed that it has already tilted enough back and result when you pull the trigger you have to push it almost inside the stock to shoot and that's really annoying and uncomfortable. Take a look on the A&K M24 and to SW04 trigger. Worth telling is that it's compatible with APS-2 system. Inside of it there is a 51.5cm, 6.08mm diameter inner barrel, metal hop-up unit, 90 degrees metal trigger box, plastic piston, 7mm plastic spring guide and it shoots around 430 FPS. The magazine is made of plastic and holds 25 BBs. If you feel the mag you will see that it stacks by the pressure, so remove 4 or 5 BBs to work perfect. Let's take a look inside. It has perfect cylinder air seal but not until the end of the barrel and there are no spacers. Don't forget to mention that the hop-up is able to hop max 28 gram BBs and the spring makes that doink bouncing sound. why to buy it? If we forget the awful paint job, the weird trigger travel, then I can say that it's a really nice platform to upgrade, as the stock is durable plastic and it has 90 degrees trigger box, so that has already saved you some money. You can find a big variety of APS-2 system upgrades to the market to make it suits perfect. But between this and the AINTJB M24, I will go for the AINTJB. Thank you for watching, I hope you found that video helpful. If you did, hit the like button, it really helps me and costs you nothing. Comment your opinion about the rifle or what do you want to review to the next videos. Subscribe to my channel and I'll see you on the fields.